Hi friends, this is Rohan with Review Roundup. Stay connected with us by clicking the bell icon here. Today we have the Anker Bluetooth speaker with us. Anker has been most popular in manufacturing accessories and batteries for mobiles. But recently, it began entering into the budget Bluetooth speaker category. While you are purchasing a Bluetooth speaker, you need to consider three things. Firstly, the sound quality, and the next one is price, and finally portability. In this video, I'm gonna explain the things. However, Anker SoundCore offers plenty of punch in a small package, and I was pleasantly surprised by its ability to handle loud volumes. Let's start with unboxing the speaker. In the package, you will find a speaker, power cable and a manual. Prior to discuss its features and performance, let's see how it actually looks and how strong it is. With this rubber finish, it stays stable on all surfaces. The chassis is made of metal. The speaker itself measures only 165 by 45 by 54 mm, which makes it ideal for quick storage. It weighs around 12.6 ounces, so carrying it around isn't even a hassle. On the right side of the speaker, you will find the typical stuff like a 3.5 mm auxiliary port for direct connections, a micro USB port for charging the speaker, a tiny LED charging light, and a microphone port for managing incoming calls over the speaker. There is a series of buttons on the top of the speaker to manage the SoundCore, a power on-off, volume, skip, play and pause, and a Bluetooth button for pairing. The branding on the speaker is very subtle. Giving brief about the specifications, it has dual 3-watt drivers inside and a spiral base port. It can be connected via Bluetooth as well as direct connection through the 3.5 mm audio jack. The Bluetooth connectivity range is 66 feet. It has a battery capacity of 4400 mAh. The company offers a 24-hour battery life, but actually gives around 18 hours plus on 80% volume, and the charge time is 5 hours. Avails an 18-month warranty period. Smartly, the speaker jumps straight into the pairing mode the first time you turn it on, making it easy to locate and pair right away. Mostly, I switch the songs from the phone itself, and this task is pretty straightforward from the speaker. The 66 feet range is quite the double of what you get from the other speakers, but mostly my phone is gonna be somewhere in the room which is around 15 feet to 18 feet. It doesn't have any voice response except the beep sounds. Pick up the SoundCore and you will immediately feel how high the quality on this speaker, and that this definitely is not a cheap Bluetooth speaker. These are some audio samples. The SoundCore is a pretty small speaker, so it is a bit surprising that it can get as loud as it can. The audio is not distorted, even played in vertical position. You can also just connect to the speaker directly and play videos. In all ways, the speaker gave a fantastic output. It can fill up a room with sound pretty easily. The unique spiral bass port provides tight and crisp bass. So, it will be great for all those get-togethers with friends and family. You can also answer or reject the phone calls directly by pressing the play button. This is a phone call I have taken from the speaker.
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Do you hear me?
Yes, of course.
The inbuilt microphone appears to work pretty well. Mentioning the reasons to buy this Bluetooth speaker are The sound quality is on par with both SoundLink Mini 2 and Sony SRS XB3 speakers, which are priced above Rs 10,000. And the build quality is most similar to the Bose speakers, and instead you get a more portable and lightweight speaker. Finally, the impressive battery life of the Anker SoundCore paired with its crisp quality makes this an excellent Bluetooth speaker for its current price tag of Rs 6,000. If you desire a more powerful speaker with incredible bass, you may want to keep looking for something on the larger side, but most of them will be pleased with what you get with the SoundCore. If you want to buy this product at best price, please check the links provided in the description. If you like this video, please comment in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.